Hello everyone, this is Abdullah my birthplace call me Mahin. That's my nickname. Quite familiar with this name. I am 11 years old. I am a student. I study in class 6. My school name is Bangladesh Gashvili School and College. My father's name is Ershad Mia. He is an immigrant. My mother is a housemaker. She take care of our family. I live with my family. My hometown is Brahmanbaria. I aim in life to be a pilot. Uh, I like reading books, traveling, learning, and criticizing. I love eating books. I favorite books and math and English. My love eating biryani and pizza. I dislike wasting time. Telling lies and criticizing. That's all about me. Thank you all.